how to create an Outlier AI account. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create an Outlier AI account. For those of you who don't know what Outlier AI is, it's basically an AI training platform where you can train AI models using your voice, your interactions for AI voice to text, text to video, text to speech, and all that, so that you can make some money. So not all countries are supported. So you now see you can join communities of innovators, generalists, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and more than 30 other expert domains. So this platform helps to build AI agents. Now, for you to create an Outlier AI account, just click on View Opportunities, and it's going to bring you to this page. And when it loads, you choose location of the opportunity. Let's say you want to look for opportunities. These are the areas that are supported. Let's say if you choose United States, and you can choose your language. These are different opportunities here. These are different opportunities. If you scroll down this page, and you come right down, you see that all of these, there are so many hundreds and if not thousands of opportunities. So the first thing you need to do is just to click and choose one of these opportunities you want to participate in. Let's say Arabic Egypt freelance writer or Australian. I'm going to choose that, and you can see it's freelance and it's remote. And for you to take advantage of this, you need to fill out your application information. Now, before you go ahead, just notice that these are the steps. You fill in your information, your application, and create an account. You verify your identity and your phone number. You pass a skills assessment or interview, and you start working and earning. So, in my case, I will just put in my name, my last name, my email address, my phone number, and then my resume. I'm going to drag and update it here. If I have it somewhere here, let's just say this is it. I've uploaded it in PDF format. Are you a Native American, Australian English speaker? Let's say I will say yes. In which country do you reside? Now, my country is not supported here. My country is my current location. Country is not supported here. But let's say if I were in the United States, I will just look for United States here. I filled all the information up there. I'll say, are you to work in countries? I'll say yes. I'll click on submit application. And it says thanks, we'll get back to you. Now, it's going to send a confirmation email to this particular email address. So when you receive that confirmation email, the next thing you have to do is that you go ahead and just fill in the next information, and you have an assessment test. And if you pass the assessment test, you are going now, before the assessment test, they'll do a verification. They'll ask you for some documents like your passport or your ID, or in the case of the US, I think social security number, I don't know. And if you pass that assessment test, you are going to be let into the community, and you can start training AI models and making money. So that is how to create an Outlier AI account. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.